Trey, you sure you gonna bowl? You can just get some water to drink. Danny, you trying to get over on the system. All right, Riley. Come on, you gotta get in the mood. You gotta hit all of them. Oh! All right, it's Trey turn.
Oh my God!
It's Trey turn.
I didn't forget my ball back.
All right, hold on, Trey. You gotta wait till they come back. Hold on. All right, let's see what Trey gonna do. All right, Trey. Uh-oh. Woo!
He don't better than me. He don't better than me.
Woo! All right, let's see. All right, wait till they come back. All right, Trey, you only gotta hit one. Can you hit it? Uh-oh. Is it gonna bounce off? Uh-oh. Oh! Trey didn't hit it. Bowling is fun, ain't it? Danny, you gotta get your stuff together. We gotta see what you're gonna do. Go back, Trey. Danny, you got your hand turned the wrong way. Yeah, roll it like, look, I'm gonna tell you it's even easier if you just roll it like a ball. Roll it like that. Or you want to learn how to, or what you do is you take it, twist it like that, or throw it like, okay, look, let me show you. Look, I'm gonna show you how I throw it. Look, I throw it like this. Yeah. Look, I throw it like this. I'm gonna show you. Throw it like that. Just slide it like that. Yep, just like that. All right, Trey, y'all get back.
Daddy, look at me.
Daddy, you need the gutter, don't you? Do you need the lane assistance? Let's see. Are you sure?
I don't.
All right.
Hey, Daddy. Look, Daddy, look.
It's your turn.
Finna show you. We finna bowl a strike. Let's see, it's my turn. All right. It's my turn, Trey. That ain't my, I can't do that when the fingers is too small. Oh, you missed it. All right, it's gonna be Trey turn. Get it started again. Uh-oh. Oh! All right, Trey, you get a second chance. All right, your ball coming back. Hold on, watch it. It's finna come out. Who up? Who winning right now? I'm winning right now.
I'm second place. Let's go. Second place.
Uh-oh, there go Trey. Let's zoom in. Trey. What the? Let's get it started. It's Danny's turn now.
Danny's turn.
This pizza should be coming out. All right, Danny. Trey, stay on the brown part when somebody bowling. Trey, stop, let her bowl. You did all right. All right, let's see what Danny gonna do. I'm recording you. what you scared of? Trey, y'all step back. That-
I'm still in second place.
No, you're not.
What you gonna do?
I got 19, you got 17.
No.
7 points.
I'm in second place. We both in second place.
All right, it's my turn.
We both in second place.
Whose turn is it? Mine?
I'm in second place.
Is it my turn?
Wait. I was in first second. Oh, yo. I'm in third.
Woo, them wings. Boneless wings. Alright, let me oh, so we got breadsticks? 2 of them. Oh damn, we might have too much.
It's not all of them.
Alright, Trey, let's see what you got. Alright, y'all ready? Well, let me make y'all play. Y'all can eat y'all pizza when y'all not bowling. Trey smashing that pizza. Boy, what you doing smashing that pizza? Look at Danny. Ah, you're Riley. Oh, Riley. Go. Trey and Riley eating cotton candy.
It's just longer and mouth.
Danny got the, what is it called, Danny? Eat up, eat all y'all can. So y'all go home, y'all can be relaxed, y'all can sit back and watch y'all TV or watch the phone. Y'all gonna come on my house Saturday.